welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big clothing haul to share with all of you. I picked up some things at the Tanger outlets yesterday. My mom and I went shopping. We got some things at Saks off Fifth Avenue, Loft, and I also ordered some things from Abercrombie, which I wanted to share with all of you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First, from Abercrombie, they were having a huge 20% off sale, and I had not shopped at Abercrombie in a really long time, like since middle school. But since it's becoming so popular and back in style, I kind of wanted to see what it was all about. So the first thing I picked up was this viral exercise dress from TikTok, and I got this beautiful robin's egg blue color. I love this. I think this will be perfect for my trip to California. I got a size medium tall for reference. Thank God I got the tall. I almost didn't because I think tall on their website said 5'8" and up, and I'm a little over 5'7". But this is extremely short. I would hate to see the regular size for me. Like, it would probably be embarrassing. But otherwise, it's a really flattering dress. Like, it's really flattering around the stomach, butt, thighs. You know, I even love the neckline, this nice little scoop neck. And they do have these like built-in shorts underneath. So this is nice. It's super comfy. And I'm just like obsessed with it. I definitely can see why these are so popular. Super comfortable, super versatile, and I might just be picking up another color. I also picked up some denim. I feel like you just always need more denim as a woman, and like right now I'm like really weird with obsessed with finding the perfect fit denim, because I feel like I have no denim that perfectly fits me, but that's probably unrealistic and me being like too much of a perfectionist. But I just wanted to like try out different types of denim. So I picked up the 90s relaxed cutoff short, and I got this in the curve love fit, which I don't think is right for my body type. I am not curvy. I have a square body shape, which means your hips are proportionate to your shoulders. It's a very like athletic style build. But that being said, I run a lot. I have muscular legs and thighs and a muscular butt, and that's like really weird to say online, but I just kind of wanted to explain my body type in case your body type is similar and you're kind of looking for a similar style fit. So I tried like the curve love to see if that would be like more flattering on me, but I don't think it is because I don't have a curvy body. So I don't know. But I do think these are really quality shorts. I like the distressing at the bottom. I like the wash. They were very comfortable. I just don't feel like they fit me correctly, if that makes sense. Like, they fit, but I don't think they fit me correctly. And then I kind of feel the same way about these, the 90s straight low-rise jeans, and I got them again in this kind of like lighter medium wash, and these ones have this huge hole in the knee, which I'm not really a fan of. I don't know why I got this. I don't really love huge rips. I kind of like a more plain jean. I like a little rip, but not these huge holes, so I don't like that. And this also just gives me absolutely no curve to my body. My body's just completely straight. So unless I'm wearing this with a crop top, I don't really think this will be very flattering for me. So I think I'm going to return both of these, even though they are comfortable, high quality jeans. I just feel like they're not the right fit for me. Moving on to what I got at Saks off Fifth Avenue. They were having a huge end of season clearance sale, and I ended up getting these Dolce Vita sneakers for $31. These are beautiful. I am literally obsessed. Look at this rose gold detail, rose gold heel. They don't tie, they just kind of slide on. I actually sized down by half size because of that. The ones in my normal size, my foot was like flopping out of. So I think these might run big, or else it's just the style of the shoe, but these are gorgeous. I am obsessed, and that was probably my favorite thing that I purchased other than the exercise dress. Moving on to the Loft, I picked up this really cute flowery skirt. Gonna wear this to the beach. Red and white flowers. I think it would look so cute with like a white crop top or white bodysuit tucked in, and I just feel like you can never go wrong with a ruffle skirt. Super flattering and definitely a cute beachy moment. I also picked up this white long sleeve shirt. It's very thin, it's a nice basic. I'm trying to grow my basic collection. This is perfect for layering under blouses, jackets, you know, you name it. And I really don't have any long sleeve white shirts. I have like white tank tops and t-shirts, but surprisingly I have no long sleeve white shirts. I picked up this nautical sweater. It was only $12.99. I love the white with the blue stripes. We also love a button moment, clearly. And I thought this would be super cute to pair with a pair of denim shorts and wear this to the beach for those chillier nights. I also picked up more pants. I picked up these medium wash denim skinny jeans from Loft. I don't know why I picked these up because I have like tons of skinny jeans, but these were a good price point. But I think I'm gonna return them because I feel like they're actually too big in my waist. Even though I love how they fit in the leg, I'm just like so over those like super tight skinny jeans that like completely suck into your leg. And I feel like these kind of had more give in the leg, yet they were still skinny and you could tuck them into boots, but they're too big in the waist, so taking them back. These pants were actually the only successful pair of pants for me, and that is the straight high-rise pant from Loft. And these are like a black chino style pant. They're not really a jean, they're not really a dress pant, kind of in between. Very modern style fit, have these cute like button details in the front, and I just thought these would be perfect to kind of modernize my work wardrobe and kind of get away from all of those super tight fitting skinny pants that were like really in style before the pandemic. But anyway, this is everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're shopping for this spring. Don't forget to check out some of my other hauls. I have a couple other Tanger Outlets hauls. I have an Express haul that I recently did. I picked up a lot of really good things in that, so I'll be sure to link those at the end of this video. I am using a new camera, so I really hope I am looking at the right place. I hope the focus is good and everything. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!